you guys, it's Lexi Combs and welcome back to my YouTube channel, or welcome if it's your first time here. Thank you for stopping by. Today I'm going to be taking you through making my DIY Bridesmaids gift boxes, what I put inside, how I personalize them, and just the whole process. Before we hop into it, I just want to let you guys know that your box doesn't need to look exactly like mine. This video is just meant for inspiration, and this can absolutely be done on any budget. So without further ado, let's hop into the video. So I started off by designing my names for the boxes in Canva, and I used my favorite font, Moontime. The reason that I do this in Canva before I cut it out with my Cricut and not in Cricut's design space is simply because I don't really like how I have to merge all of the letters together in Cricut design space. And if you have a Canva Pro account, you can also save it with a transparent background, and that really saves some time. So I went ahead and put my vinyl on my mat and I cut it out with my Cricut. If you don't have a Cricut, no worries, because you can absolutely just take a beautiful marker and hand do the names onto your boxes. Here I'm just weeding my design, and I like to keep it on the mat while I do this because I find that it is a little bit easier for everything to come off. Next, I started to apply my painter's tape to my design instead of transfer tape. I use this because it's much less sticky and these boxes are a little bit finicky. I got this box from Michael's. It was actually on clearance for $4. So I went ahead and I put my design off, and then I peeled off my painter's tape slowly just to make sure everything was in place. Now I had some extra wedding invitations, so I went ahead and turned them around to the back and wrote a note for each individual bridesmaid or maid of honor so that they would have something special from the day and super personal to our friendship. I then used my wax seal gun to go ahead and put a wax seal on it, and I put this tile over it so that the wax seal would be completely flat because I'm actually going to adhere it to the top of the box. You can absolutely skip that step if you want and maybe just put the card inside of the box or tape it to the top of the box. Now I'm just filling my box with white tissue paper. This ensures that nothing in the box is going to roll around and it just really looks pretty and put together. Now I'm going to start assembling my box with the gifts that I've been picking up over the last several months, and I started off with this crystal necklace. The theme of my wedding is actually crystal, so I thought that it was super appropriate that they could wear it on the wedding day, and I actually got them from Marshall's. It was kind of like a hunt. They were on clearance for only $10, so I had to go to a few different stores to find them. Then I put in these shirts, and they say maid of honor or bridesmaid on the back, and I popped in a little wine bottle, and then I put in some scrunchies to this little bride tribe glass that I actually got from Dollar Tree, and I thought that this was just such a cute find, and only $1, you could not beat that. Here I'm just using some masking tape and putting it on the wax seal and taping it to the top of the box. Here are the boxes fully completed. I am so happy with how our end result turned out, and I know that everybody in my wedding party is going to absolutely love their present. If you guys are planning on making a present for your bridal party, please do let me know in the comment section what you guys are planning on putting inside, or if you're going to be in an upcoming wedding, make sure you let us know what you guys would like to be gifted. I'm sure that you guys are going to come up with some amazing ideas, and I absolutely cannot wait to hear them. I'm going to be doing our groomsmen boxes next, so make sure that you're subscribed to this channel and hit the bell notification so that you don't miss when I upload that video. Also, make sure to follow me on all my social media channels. They'll be linked in the comment section below. I love you guys. Thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to watch my video, and I will see you soon.